Hydrogen peroxide is excellent for cleaning, but here are 3 things that you will most likely ruin if you attempt to clean with hydrogen peroxide. Where do you think you're going with that hydrogen peroxide? First on the list is leather. Never use hydrogen peroxide to try and clean anything with leather on it. So if you wanted to use hydrogen peroxide to clean the leather seats, you run into issues. So the first thing is hydrogen peroxide would definitely dry out this whole seat. It can end up causing a lot of cracking and even discoloration. So never use hydrogen peroxide. This is a very old leather chair. If I were to use hydrogen peroxide, I would cause some serious damage. If you have beautiful natural stone floor, I would highly recommend staying away from hydrogen peroxide because you're gonna cause some discoloration and damage. Now, I've made videos in the past where I talk about grout cleaning with hydrogen peroxide and Dawn dish soap, and it does work amazing. But I always caution people making sure that you don't have a bunch of overspill when you're cleaning the grout lines if you have natural stone, for the reason that hydrogen peroxide can cause some damage. Here's another thing. You never want to use hydrogen peroxide for metal. If you were to use hydrogen peroxide to clean metal, you'd end up with corrosion and oxidation. And you don't want that because that'll lead to a problem of something that you can no longer clean and you cause some damage. Hydrogen peroxide is not for everything, folks.